As you get more with Illustrator, you're going to want to make sure that you're understanding how to align and distribute your objects. So I'm just going to quickly walk you through the align and distribute panel that pops up once you start selecting multiple objects. So first of all, I'm going to make some sort of bean here. I'm going to make, maybe this is some horns on a head up here, and then this is going to be an arm. And I'm going to need another arm. So I'm going to press and hold Option, click and drag with my selection tool, and it duplicates it. Okay, and then I'm just going to rotate this. So I have these arms coming off of here, just like so. Oftentimes you can eyeball it and get it pretty close, but sometimes you really want it to be precise. And that's the beauty of Illustrator, is that you can get really precise with how you align and how you utilize the objects and use the algorithms that are happening behind the scenes. So what I'm going to do is select both of these arms, and what I want to do is to make sure that they are at the same level on this particular artboard. So I'm going to come over to my Align panel, and so I've got a couple of different options. If I click on the three dots below, you'll see there's Align Objects and Distribute Objects. Aligning them, options are to horizontal align left, horizontal align center, horizontal align right, vertical align top, vertical align center, vertical align bottom. And then of course distributing the objects evenly becomes really important as well. So again, vertical distribute top, center, bottom, left, center, right. Okay. Today what we're going to do is just, I want right now and this point is just to align these two. So you have some different options here. Align to the artboard. So if I click on that, it's going to align it based on the artboard, either vertically or center or top or bottom, left, right. I could do the selection, which is what I'm going to do right now because I want only those two objects to align. So I'm going to click on that, then I'm going to go up to Align Objects, and I'm going to vertically align center. And when I do, click, now they are vertically aligned. I'm also at this point going to group those together. It just becomes easier to do. So I just press Command G, and now, oh, it did not work actually. Interesting. Try that, Command G. Yeah, okay, there we go. The other way you can do it is right click and choose from the menu when you have those up there, and you'll be able to group. Right now it's ungrouped. So I've got those grouped. You know, if this is off center, I could select both of these, right? So I have this object and this object. Now, I like where the arms are and I like where the body is. If I align these together, like I did the arms, watch what's going to happen. So I align those to the selection vertically. Okay, it does it vertically, but now it's off center. Okay, so there is a really quick way to remedy that. If you expand this box a little bit, you'll notice a key object. And when that option is selected, you'll be able to align it to that object. So what I'd like to do, I have both of these objects selected. I'm going to go ahead and click on the red body legs section. And you'll notice when I do, a thick blue line appears around it. That means that that's my key object. So now, and you can see over here in the panel, align to key object is selected. I'm going to vertically align center. So it just moves it over right there. And then I'm going to group these together as well. So now I've got those grouped, I've got this grouped. I'm going to figure out where exactly I want my arms, how do I want those to work. Now I'm going to select all of this and group that together, because what I want to do is to center this whole thing to the artboard. So with all of that selected, I'm going to make sure that artboards are selected, and you can click on that, and there's a drop-down menu as well if you want to do it that way. And then I'm going to center it horizontally, and I'm going to center it vertically. And now everything is centered.